Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many of us face when working on our computers. Have you ever encountered a situation where you try to open a file, only to be met with an error message stating that the file is corrupted? Yeah, it's a frustrating problem to deal with, especially when you're on a tight deadline or really need that file. But don't worry, we've got you covered with a solution that can help you out. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. When you come across a corrupted file, the best way to try and recover it is by using file repair software. These programs are specifically designed to scan and repair corrupted files, helping you retrieve your important data. By using file repair software, you can often restore your file to a usable state, saving you the hassle of recreating it from scratch. Make sure to choose a reputable file repair software to ensure effective results. In addition to using file repair software, another solution to consider is restoring the file from a backup. If you have a backup of your files, you can easily replace the corrupted file with the undamaged version. This is why it's always a good idea to regularly back up your important data to prevent any data loss in case of such incidents. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. In summary, when you encounter a corrupted file, don't panic. You can either use file repair software to fix the issue or restore the file from backup. By following these solutions, you can recover your data and get back to your work in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and happy file recovery.